In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install Power BI for your desktop. So head over to your search engine. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome and I'll be searching for Power BI Desktop download. Here you want to select the first link, then select download. More often than not, you'll be using the 64-bit, so select download. The download may take a minute or two depending on the speed of your internet. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads and open the executable file. So here the download, I'm executing it. Select your language and then select next. Select next to continue. Accept the terms and license and then select next. Select next to continue to keep the default location and then select install. Now the installation will take a minute or two to complete depending on the specs of your computer. So the installation is still running after 3 minutes. Once the installation is completed, select finish. Now in order to create your first data source, here from the top, you'll see a list of data sources that you can choose from. So in this case, I'll be using SQL Server. Here you can choose your theme. I'll be keeping the legacy theme and I'll be just closing that. Now here you just need to provide the name of your server and the database that you want to connect to. So I'm just going to say the SSISDB. Okay. Now here you need to choose a credential which you need to use to connect to your database. So I'll be using an alternate connection name. So once your connection is successful, you'll see the database catalog that you connected to. And here you can see a bunch of tables that is in my database, right? So I'm just going to select a sample table and then select load. So here I'm going to add a simple table to my visualization. And then from here, I can add data fields. Now to add data to this table, here over to the data section, you'll see a catalog, right? And I'm going to just add these two fields for demonstration purposes. And that's basically how you can download, install Power BI on your Windows machine and get started. So that's basically it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.